Hi everybody, hope you're all well. It's lettuce. It's got to be about lettuce today. I know it seems early, but I want to sow some seeds in between the perennial leeks that I've got, and use this, and hopefully this will work. I really want to get lettuce started early because I had my shopping haul on my cooking channel, and it just made me realise that I really want to stop buying lettuce or salads generally. So I've picked, this is out of my tin, my seed tin, and I have already opened it, but I'm hoping this will work. It's a gourmet salad mix, loose leaf, so come and cut again. Yeah, so before I have a coffee, let's go out, let's get these sown, and then we can come back for a coffee. Whew. And have a look at all the seedlings. Every day they're a little bit bigger. So that's pretty good though. Right, let's see you outside. Right, I've got these sticks which show me where the perennial leeks are. So I'm going to go right in the middle and just do a drill. Only 3 rows, but that'll be fine to start with. Right, mini bricks. I'll be back. I need stuff to weigh down the fleece. There we go. Let's hope the lettuce germinates, and we'll keep it covered until the last frost. We'll just raise it. Yeah, come and have a look at my plum. Look at this. A beautiful blossom. Yeah, it's just gonna, yeah, that's what I'm hopeful for, lots of plums. Jim, I'll send you the very first plum. My apple tree doesn't, their buds are coming, but I don't know if the camera can pick that up. Yeah. The next thing is, this is a raspberries. I'm not sure what the raspberries are doing. They don't look very like anything's happening, and they should be growing really, so it's something to keep an eye on, and otherwise declare them gone, because there's no life coming from them at all, and there should be something. Is that, I don't know. Anyway, I could always use it for something else. And the leeks look a bit happier, a bit more upright, which is good. And I weeded all along here, which should be for the climbers, because this is all the big fencing. But I've got lots of work to do on the edges still. Lots of strimming, but it's kind of a little bit rainy. The weather's a bit odd. So let's go back to the shed. Just looking at my seedlings, these are French climbing beans that I sowed ages ago. I can't actually, did I put a date? Typically not. But it was at the same time as the melon, which hasn't. I might chip that at home, you know, like in the paper towel method. But they're actually coming out. I don't know if you can. Yeah, which is great. Melons, not so much, it was just too early, too cold. A lot of you said that, and you were completely right. But I'm going to try the paper towel method. I don't know what's going on with that, but I don't even know what it is anymore. This is the sunflowers, but they seem quite happy. They were the climbing beans yesterday. Broad beans, I do need to put them out. I think I have to find a place for them. Cucumber coming out, emerging, but these were the paper towel germinated method. The spring onions, they're just sort of looking stronger every day, and these are the beetroot. And this was the sweet peas, but obviously they've only just germinated. This literally yesterday. But I'm pleased with them. I might actually, I don't know whether to move them down. They might get a bit more light there. Right, let's go outside and I'll show you. Not a lot's really, well, we've just had a look really. Oh God. But my plants, my pond plants are in. This is great. I don't know if you can see that. I can't even see the hornworts. They've kind of disappeared. Hope that will recover, I'm sure. We'll keep an eye on it. I think I do need more though. It does make me realise, although it's so difficult to know when they grow fully, but I definitely need more. So when funds allow, I'll get more. So I've got to make more beds, a broad bean bed, deal with this raspberry, and then carry on sorting out the sides. I think that'll be the next task. It seems quite dry. I might start strimming. I don't know. It's getting on for going home time actually. But another day. I've sown some lettuce. I'm pretty pleased with that. This is going to be great. This is a honeysuckle. It's going to look lovely all the way along. It's gone all the way up there. Yeah. And hopefully there'll be poppies coming up because they were there last year. What else was it? I can't really remember. But I've got compost to put on top of the manure to create new beds. Definitely could do with a trim. I'm not sure my in fact, let's go and have a look, see if they've I haven't, do you know what, I haven't actually looked at my what do you call them, gooseberries, and from here, bearing in mind I've got terrible eyesight, I can see shoots. Oops, sorry, I'm putting my glasses on. Which is amazing because this was looking like it was near dead. Oh, happy days. The gooseberries survived. I mean, I don't know how, they were very neglected when I took on the plot, but there is new shoots. So all is not lost. That's such good news. And what about this common barberry? I can see new shoots, and this is something I need to check. I don't actually know what I think it creates. It has a fruit. It'll be interesting, but I can see new life on them, so that's fantastic. This all needs a strim, and covering with cardboard eventually. But that's yeah. There's lots of strawberries in this. I need to really dig it out and rescue them and move them. So that's a job for another day. Yeah. Well. Little and often, I have a coffee. Oh, yeah. Right. Oops, stick up there. Oh, the horseradish. Honestly, it's like it's on fire. Have a look at this. I might have to think about putting it out in an open, bottomed thing. But it really is. I mean, maybe this, I've got this plastic box, it's cracked, so it's no, take the bottom out, plant it so it's deep, you know, just so there's a hole, it's got a hole in the, you know, just somehow cut out. I don't know whether that's possible, or what I need to do, how thick this, I mean, I should be able to do it. And then just bury it and plant the horseradish in that. What do you think? Yeah, that's a possible idea. I don't know. It definitely needs to be planted where it's kind of contained to a certain extent. All right, slurp. Where's my phone? Oh, my phone's charging on my solar panel. But I thought I'd have a quick look at comments, see if I can answer any. Bear with, bear with. Jennifer Harvey said toilet rolls and kitchen roll tubes are free. 100%. And you weren't the first person to say that, which is why. Woo! It would be really interesting to watch. I have done this. I did this years ago, and I do remember it going a little bit mouldy. But this is an old memory, and so I haven't tried it for a long time. So I'm going to give it another go, 100%. But yeah, it's so true. Lots of you said no, take them off their weights for the hornwort, which is funny because I mean I've never pond plants is brand new to me. It was like completely ignorant, But it's great because you all set me right, and I was luckily I hadn't chucked them away. They were in my little metal recycling thing. Oh. Sainty 1950, you said, hi Kerry, love your programme, love what you're doing, but could you make sure your sound is working? I'm hard of hearing and I cannot hear you sometimes. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Sometimes it was just because it was not normally, you see, sometimes I think it's there, and sometimes it's not there. It's just there, so it's tricky. But yeah, I understand 100%. I'll try and make sure it's a little bit clearer. But what happens is when I'm recording now, I don't know what the sound quality is like until I get home. It's really hard to, and then you kind of hope that it's okay. Loads of you said leave the weights on. Carol Longboy said plonking now, that's where they are happiest, at the base underwater. That's why they have weights on them that you took off. Yeah, I've figured that one out. Thank you, Carol. And yeah, you see, I thought that the plants were not frost hardy because I didn't. Some plants that the website sells are not frost hardy, and so they have a general sort of say if most people, if you've ordered a non-frost hardy one, it won't get sent out until the end of April. But mine arrived, and I kind of assumed it was frost. I just read that and thought, oh, I won't get mine till the end of April, and then it arrived, and I was like, oh my god, is this a mistake? I should have assumed that they were there for frost hardy, but didn't know. You see, this whole thing is new to me, and the idea of pond plants that aren't frost hardy, how do you protect them from frost in your pond? That's what I'm not sure. I don't know how you do that, because presumably, I don't know how you do that. You put a fleece over? I really don't know. Oh, Jen, you said, hi Kerry, lovely to see your seeds doing so well. You've inspired me to have another go at sweet peas. Mine never do well. I know the feeling, honestly. I've never done well with sweet peas either. I don't know why. My dad, bless him, used to grow them, and there would be masses, and we would be picking them for ages. I thought I'm doomed, but I'm going to give them another go as I do love them. That's nice. Pond plants I know can go straight in and with the weights on. Yeah, about 100 people said the same thing. Oh, it's funny. So you would have seen the last vlog. I put the weights back on because this is the vlog after that. Great to see the shed brimming. Exciting times. Your rose will look amazing. It's a good size. Oh, that's the one for my daughter. That's going to be fun. I do really love roses, and I was a late rose lover, if you like, because I'd never really appreciated them. Well, I mean, when you're a teenager onwards, you don't do. And then we moved into a house that had established 30-year-old roses, and that's when I really started to appreciate them, as a long living plant. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, my lovely. Bye, Jen. Thanks, Jen. That's so lovely. Thanks so much. Thanks everybody for all your comments though. I really love the comment section. It is very, very helpful, and you're all a lovely bunch. So cheers. Delish. It's nearly time for home. Jim will be showing up in a minute. Yeah, so I want to say thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye. Needed this. I needed this. I've been at work today. Oh,